Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying compatibility and gathering essentials. Make sure your Mac runs the required Mac OS and has enough free disk space for a large app. Next, sign into the App Store with your Apple ID and confirm a valid payment method is attached, because purchases will charge immediately. Once done, consider starting the free trial to test performance and plugins. This saves money if your workflow needs custom codecs or third-party effects that might break compatibility. You open the App Store and search for Final Cut Pro, then select the official listing by Apple. When you tap the Price or Free Trial button, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. This confirms the purchase and links the license to your account. Make sure to review the download size and use a stable connection because large downloads can fail. Once the app begins downloading, allow it to finish fully before launching to avoid corrupted files or incomplete installs. You launch Final Cut Pro and grant permissions for microphone, camera, and media folders so imports and exports work smoothly. This avoids permission errors later. Then check the App Store for any immediate updates, installing those fixes compatibility and plugin issues. If activation or download fails, restart your Mac, sign out and back into the App Store, then retry the download. This resolves most authentication caches. If problems persist, note any error code and contact Apple support with your Apple ID hand.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.